Today are bad days, tomorrow are good days. It's a brand new day. Welcome back to Mzee Chicks YouTube channel. Mzee Chicks is my name. I'm here to inspire everyone into farming. I'm here to help in starting and operating your farms. At the same time, I always advise everyone to join farming. In today's video, I'm going to move you around this farm. As we discuss how to go about your local chickens with the other animals on your farm. It has been a question by very many people that is it advisable to do chickens with the goats or with the cows? That's what we are going to discuss today. How to go about your local chickens or your free range chickens with the other farm animals. Some of my local chickens, you see them, we do supplement them in the morning. We let them outside to free range. During those hours when they are free ranging, they benefit a lot from these other farm animals. As you've been asking, that is it advisable or is it good to do free range chickens with the other farm animals? For me here, I do supplement them in the morning, as you're seeing right now. Then afternoon, we let them outside to free range. So they benefit a lot from these other animals. I wanna savor. We have goat's dung outside there. We have cow dung outside. They will be feeding on maggots. They will be feeding on other insects. They will be feeding on larvae from the goat's dung. So it's a very, very good move. Then another thing, chickens relate with these animals we are talking about, the goats, and it's also not bad to let your chickens to stay in the same pen with the goats. While your chickens are together with goats, they will be eliminating some of other parasites from your goats, like ticks and other external parasites from your goats. Then another thing, these chickens will feed also from other non-digestible feed substances from these goats or from these animals. You may find that your goats will feed on grain and it will pass out it while it's not digestible. So these chickens will feed direct to those undigestible food from these animals. So it's a trick for your chickens to stay with these animals. We have other parasites like flies. Automatically, these chickens will eliminate flies out of your farm because they will be feeding to these parasites when they are still in their life cycle, hence not allowing them to become flies. Behind me, it's our goat's pen, but as you know very well, our goats are up there, and then we receive our goat's dung and urine down here. It's advisable that every 2 to 3 days you remove dung from down there. But for us, it's not the case here. We clean down there after 3 weeks to 1 month. It's just for only one reason, that for us here we have free range chickens, so they benefit a lot from down there. They always scratch down there looking for insects, maggots, and larvae. So they help us to be exchanging this dung to make it dry ever, hence not allowing ammonia gas to come back to our goats. In the past weeks, I experienced hard times here at the farm. As you know, good days always follow bad days. Right here, it's my pleasure. Now the smile on my face is right back, and I'm very, very, very excited. As you see, get up, Maida, 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 get up. Yes, this is Maida, and then PK is there. Right here with me, I'm with Maida. Maida is here. Few months back, I was here introducing this Maida to you, saying that I'm starting with this one Maida. But it's good news right now that Maida is joined by another colleague, the one there in the background. Yes, she's there in the background. She's called the PK. Maida was joined by PK, and it's my pleasure. And it's not all about the speed you're moving, it's all about the smarter you're moving. My advice always is that you start with what you have. By that time, then you will be adding on, or you will be moving to other bigger things with the time. But don't fail to start. It's just all about to start small with big dreams. I started with goats, as my story always. Then I introduced in chickens, turkeys, and right now you're seeing cows. It's an advantage, or it's very encourageable, that maybe when you do farming, try to do a variety so that these animals will be benefiting from each other. Right now you're seeing these bigger animals, they do as guards to these smaller animals. You may find that when our chickens are feeding near these cows, they will be protective to other predators. That's an advantage. Guys, we are required to put up a shade for these two heifers. As you're seeing, they are just here near our goat's pen, but very soon I'm going to put up a shade. As I told you that it's not all about the speed you're moving, it's all about how smart you're moving. So that one, the solution to the shade will be solved very soon as we move on. Guys, this is our kids pen. Kids pen, you seeing them? Kids pen, waiting for their mothers. Waiting for their mothers. Yes, come here. Yes, you seeing them? They are eager to feed. It's also an achievement. It drives away my sadness when I see that we have such kids. let me bring their mothers to be nursed. As you know very well, we have to separate our kids from other old goats, because old goats are resistant to other diseases, yet these kids are still weak, so we have to separate them. That's why you see them, they sleep here separately. We just bring in their mothers to nurse them in the morning. So that's what we are going to do right now. We are bringing their mothers to nurse these kids. Yes. Guys, that's our progress. Mzee Chicks, sign out.